You've probably seen other navies use those ramps at the front of their ships to basically fling jets into the sky using the plane's own engine power. It looks cool, but the US Navy has stubbornly stuck to massive steam and electromagnetic catapults instead. The biggest flaw with a ski jump is that it puts a massive dent in how much weight a plane can carry. Because a jet launching off a ramp relies completely on its own engines, and the upward slant of the deck, it can't take off at max weight. To get airborne safely, specialized jump jets like the F-35B have to leave behind a ton of fuel, weapons, or both. For the US Navy, whose entire brand is striking targets thousands of miles away with overwhelming firepower, telling a pilot they have to sacrifice missiles or gas just to take off is a total deal-breaker. Catapults solve this by throwing massive external energy into the launch, letting heavy jets shoot off the deck fully loaded. On top of that, a ski jump severely limits the kinds of planes a carrier can actually use. Heavy support aircraft, like the E-2 Hawkeye radar plane or the C-2 Greyhound cargo carrier, just don't have the crazy thrust needed to survive a ramp launch. A ski jump carrier is basically stuck hosting only short takeoff fighters, which leaves the fleet blind without airborne radar and cut off without heavy logistics. By using a flat deck with powerful catapults, US carriers can launch a massive variety of aircraft, meaning they can run electronic warfare, hunt submarines, and track distant threats all at the same time. Real estate on a flight deck is also a massive factor. A ski jump requires a giant permanent steel curve built right into the front of the ship. That curve creates a total dead zone where you can't park, taxi, or move planes around easily. On the flip side, the flat decks of American Nimitz and Ford-class supercarriers utilize every single square inch. When the catapults aren't actively firing, crews can park jets right on top of them. This allows the deck crew to pull off a highly efficient choreography, launching and recovering a ton of planes in rapid-fire succession. But the US Navy isn't looking for the budget option. They want absolute dominance. By sinking billions into complex machinery like steam pistons and modern electromagnetic launch systems or emails, the US military gladly accepts high-maintenance headaches in exchange for unparalleled power on the high seas.